Okay, so hey guys, this is the very first vlog I've ever done before, so sorry if it's boring, but I am about to leave in like 10-15 minutes to go to the airport so I can fly to Vegas. I'm so excited, it's not even funny. I've been anticipating this. I had a calendar that counted down the days until this moment, so it's gonna be so fun. So my flight takes like 7 hours total, not like including like airport time and stuff like that. So I won't be in Vegas until, I guess it's, yeah, like 9 o'clock. So I'll try to get some vlogging in between like the flights. I might even vlog on the airplane. You never know. I could surprise you all. So hopefully this vlog will be out tonight. Hopefully when I get to the hotel in Vegas, they will have 1, Wi-Fi, and 2, I will be able to actually edit this video, because I am going to edit it even though there's not going to be much to edit. So that's pretty much all I have to say now. And I was thinking about this earlier, how I really should have goals for this competition. Like, I don't want to just like show up in Vegas and not have any goals. So I am going to go over my goals right now. I had a video that I was planning on coming out with that showed specifically my goals. Like, it was a different video, not this video, but I guess I will just go over my goals now. So for 3x3, I definitely want to get like sub 20 or sub 19, maybe even sub 18. I don't practice 3x3 at all anymore, so I don't know what's gonna happen, but I definitely expect sub 20, because if I don't get sub 20, I will be upset. So, and then I want a I guess a 16 single. I don't know, maybe even lower than that, but I don't know how much lower I can go. So for 4x4, I just want to make the cutoff. I think it's 110. So I want to make the cutoff. I think you have to make the cutoff on your first solve, so I want to make sure I make the cutoff. For 5x5, I'm not going to make the cutoff, but I'll just say that my goal is to make the cutoff. Oh, by the way, for 4x4, I really hope to try to get a sub 1 single, but I highly doubt that will happen, seeing as I rarely get them when I'm at home. So the chances of me getting one in competition, yes, slim. So then for 6x6, I want to make the cutoff. That's my main goal, to make the cutoff. I think I definitely make the cutoff, but you never know what's gonna happen. Plus my 6x6 pops, so I might get a pop and that could completely ruin everything. So for 7x7, I want to get a sub 530 average and a sub 520 single. Then for Mega Minx, I want to get a sub 149 average, because that is my average, my best average in competition, a 149. So I want to get sub that, even though I don't practice Mega Minx, so that might not happen either. So that's all for this little portion of this vlog. I hope it is not as boring as I'm anticipating it may end up being. So that's pretty much all for now. I will see you guys later when I'm either at the airport or on the plane.
I'm gonna win this one. Oh. Okay, I'm done. Good work.
With you to the nearest usable exit. After exiting the aircraft, place your arms through the straps and then hug the cushion to your chest.
Thanks so much. Okay.
Okay, so the plane's about to start. See ya in Vegas. Two flights, 9 hours, and 6 hours of food deprivation, and we're here. Slot machines in the middle of the airport. That's a first. Yeah, same.
Cool.
We're in a limo though. Like, look at this.
Expect to be in a limo.
No, I was expecting a shuttle.
I'm just so glad we're out melting.
This is neat.
Hi, anybody else?
There we go. Oh my god, it's so bright. I feel like it's not even night. Okay, so I'm at my hotel room now, and we just got here, and it's like 10:30. No, it's like 11 at night. So, which my time is like 3 in the morning or something. So I'm really tired, but I'm gonna go eat now. So that's all for today's vlog. I will do another one tomorrow, so look forward to that. And if, again, I will repeat this again, if you see me at Worlds tomorrow, then say hello. Alright, that's all for today. Bye! Okay, so it's day 2 in Vegas, and I'm about to head down so we can get the competition going. And I need to practice for 6x6 because that's my first event. I went down a few minutes ago and got my my lanyard thing. So there we have it. So we're about to go down, me and my mom, to the room so that we can start. So there you have it. See you guys. Okay, just another thing I'd like to show you guys is this awesome bag. You get one when you sign up. Everybody gets one who is competing, so it's a decent sized bag. It's just your normal drawstring like size bag, but it's really nice, and I was not expecting it when I got here. I also was not expecting to receive a cube pouch thing with stickers. They're CubeSmith stickers, see there, and SpeedCube Shop put this little packlet together. So we've got the bag, stickers, they're normal shades, a raffle ticket, I'm not quite sure what that's for, but I'll figure it out, and then a business card. So I thought that was really nice of the people. You also, of course, get your lanyard. On it, it says Rubik's Cube World Championship 2013. So when you're walking around with this lanyard on in the Riviera, people will know you are competing in the World Championships. It also has your name on it, so people know who you are. Okay, we're off down to the room in which we are competing. So here we go.
Yeah. I just found myself.
There's a lot of people.
Oh, I'm Dana Raymond. I average like 18, 20 on 3x3, and my YouTube name is the Performer Wall 500.
Alright.
So I'm Anthony, and my name is the Ecologist on YouTube.
What do you average on 3x3?
Like 14.
I'm Robert Alfano, and AOMan99 on YouTube.
And you average what on 3x3?
I average like 20, 21.
I'm Kobe. I average like 16, and my YouTube is Mr. So Awesome 7.
That's Kobe.
I'm gonna fail
Clark.
it.
Good job.
What's your name again? Sorry. Bailey.
Kid.
Preston. JD. Daniel. Ken. Robert.
Hey, what's up?
Shanae.
What's up?
Wait, what's your name? Abigail.
Hey,
Shanae. And Sam.
Hi. I like cubing. And then this is the CubeDude.
Check out the Ghost Cube. And Kenny.
I like it.
Hi.
JSBcuber is right here.
What's your name?
David.
Hi, David. What's your name?
Jackson.
I am JRCuber and I am awesome.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
Pretty sure that's all it came.
For 7x7, the first round
You just start the timer.
Okay, well, it was a pleasure to meet you. I'd shake your hand if you're...
Knuckles.
Okay. 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 It was great to meet you.
Nice to meet ya. Okay, so I'm about to go downstairs for day 2 of World Championships 2013. I have 2 events today. I have 3x3 first round and 4x4 first round. I'm not expecting to make it into round 2 for either of those or anything for that matter, but that's pretty much all I have to do today. I'm going to record all the solves, so yeah.
Well, I had 1 good time, 1 okay time, and then 3 bad times.
What was your average?
So the average was like 30 seconds, I think.
Nice.
But I had 123 and then 126 and then like 33, 33, and 30 or something.
That's good.
But,
I mean, I did a 33, a 32, a 30.
I wanted under 30, but
I messed up.
it's been so long. Last time I did an
I
average
did like 2
was
PLLs.
A while
7
ago.
years ago. So,
Oh wow.
and it used to get about 24 on average, so it's been a while.
I want to see what's in the reaction.
It's funny watching people debate about plus twos.
Wow.
Sub 20. Good job, Jesse. I'm still filming. Hey guys, today was a fun day. It's the end of day 2. In the morning, me and my mom went to Circus, and my mom won this little guy right here, and I won $100 in Vegas. So proud. So that was pretty fun. I didn't have any events until 2 o'clock, so that's why we went over to Circus, which is basically, if you don't know what it is, it's basically a very large casino, and it has a arcade for younger kids. So that was really, really awesome. So the events I had today were 3x3 and 4x4. 3x3 failed miserably. What can I say? I was really nervous, and I don't really practice 3x3 much anymore, so I mean, it was still sub 20, but it was not what I hoped for. And then 4x4, I actually did pretty good. I was pretty happy with my average considering I don't practice much. So that was really fun. I got to meet a lot of people. I met 1 or 2 new girl cubers that I hadn't really met before, so that was awesome. And then at the end of the day, they had a seminar, and it was a 3x3 speed solving seminar, so there was quite a few people there, and Cornelius, Mats, and Felix all talked there, and they gave tips and stuff. So at the end, they actually were giving out signatures, so I got all of their signatures right on the back of this, and on my Rubik's brand, my first 3x3 I ever, had. So right here, there's Cornelius's, Matt's, and then Felix. So that was really, really cool. I also got pictures with them. I might insert the pictures now. They were all really, really nice, and yeah, it was fun. So that is basically what happened today. I also got this sweatshirt. It is the 2013 Rubik's Cube World Championship sweatshirt. I really like it. And it says 2013 Las Vegas, Nevada Rubik's Cube Championship on the back. And then on the back it has a bunch of names on it. So nothing really important on the back. But it's really comfortable. I'm really glad I got it. I was hesitant to get it, but I'm really glad I did. So that's pretty much all that happened today. Not really much as far as like competing went, because yesterday I had 4 events, today I only had like 2. I met some really cool people today, like I said. I met redkb. I met MeMyselfAndPi for the 2nd time. I met the Cube Dude. He actually like hung out with me. We were sitting at the same table and or the same like chairs, because when I got there was no tables left, so I just kind of chillaxed by the chairs. So that was really cool. And like I said, I met Felix, Mats, and Cornelius, so that was pretty cool too. And then Kit taught me how to solve a clock. I didn't know how to solve a clock, and to be honest with you, I wasn't really planning on learning, but it was really awesome that he taught me. It's actually really simple, surprisingly. So that was really awesome. And then Ajay put tape over each of their signatures so that if I like use this cube, which I'm not really planning on doing, my finger doesn't like smudge their names off or anything like that. And then he also made me a logo for my 3x3, so that was really awesome. So that's pretty much all that happened today. I had a really fun day. I hung out with JSBcuber and Evil Potato a lot. We like chillaxed and we went to eat and stuff together, so it was really fun. So that's really all that happened today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Okay, so hey guys, I'm about to go down to start the 3rd day here in Las Vegas. I'm wearing my t-shirt, or my sweatshirt. It's freezing in this hotel, it's like ridiculous. I've been like frozen the whole time. Also, I stocked up on new bracelets from different cube stores, so basically what's happening today is they have a consolation round this morning, so anybody who didn't make like round 2 or didn't like make a certain round just gets to compete like for fun. It doesn't count, it's unofficial, but it's still something I wanted to do because it just gives me more, you know, cubing time. So I'm going to be going down and doing that. And then finals for pretty much every single event are today. So I'll try to film as much as I can, but I want to save my battery for 3x3 because that's like the big event, 3x3. So that pretty much is all that's going to go on today. I'm leaving tonight to go back home, so, but not till later tonight. So I'll try to film as much as I can without this battery dying. And I'm probably not going to film on the way home just because it's not interesting. So, yep, that's pretty much all. Enjoy the vlog from today.
Unless you're still finishing up one hand. And hi, pick one on the green stage. I'm looking for Ro Hessler, Sumit Agarwal, Yu Sajima, Philip Blair, Evan Liu, Cornelius Dykeman, Edward Lynn, Kevin Costello III, and John.
You got this, girl. You got this. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Yeah, 51. Good job, Sam. Woo! I got it on film.
Ready, set, go. What do I do?
It's gonna take a while.
Yeah, probably.
It's gonna take like 5 minutes. It's all good though.
Yeah, we did it yesterday.
She just bought a Ferrari. I was like...
Your aunt bought a Ferrari?
Oh, she had two 911 Porsches.
Yeah.
She has a like big property. It costs like
I looked at it and I was like, oh.
You didn't.
Like, no, it's a picture of
We have Samantha, Victor, and Josh. I can't twist my arm like that, and me, and we're gonna do 3x3 racing. I'm gonna fail.
Oh my god, I'm going to
This
be
is
like
really good.
on YouTube.
Oh, and I tried Josh's way long. It's really nice. I might get one. Wait, can I try it?
Oh, I love whoever did this.
Yep.
Hey everybody, welcome to the 3x3 main event final.
It's the fifth biggest country in the world.
I knew that.
And to reach you within 11.67 seconds. And to reach you within 9.39 seconds. .60 in the second call. Injuries used at 10.71.
When you're not back there.
Similar to 10. And Justin finishes with 12.4. No? CNS, never mind. It's a lot of work for nothing,
People like that. Look at that. Why would I want to?
Matt's with a 9.76.
Solving the 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube in 8.18 seconds. From Australia, your world champion, Felix Zemdek!
Oh my god.
Also supplementing the first place grand prize for the world champion, Cameron from Speed Cube Shop with $1,000 US.
He doesn't need that.
Let's have one more round of applause for our 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube champion.
Asia, 10.08, Howard Wong Jung Yen. Mexico, 14.12, Fernando Daniel Hernandez Sanchez. From Alberto Ceballos Contreras.
You go, girl.
Venezuela, that's where my mom's from. Yeah, girl. It's a girl.